are going to be opening and reviewing the SodaStream TERRA. It comes in a nice box. I just got it yesterday. Haven't even used it or even tried before, so let's see what we've got here. Alright, so we have the book on Let's Get Started. We've got some operating here, 2-year warranty. We can scan all that, and takes us through step by step. A nice little booklet here. Okay, there's this. Alright, so in the box we have the SodaStream sparkling water maker. We have the CO2 cylinder and the 1 liter BPA free bottle. Nice plastic. The screw top lid. I know you can get more of these as well, so I probably will since the kids will be drinking this too. This is very, very light. Very, very light. So, and I like the black. Like I said, it matches in my kitchen. Alright, so first things first. It's going to give us a little step-by-step. Shows us the items that are in there. The carbonating button, which is here. Let's see here. And what else do we have? The carbonate, we got the snap lock system, which is this here, so it snaps up in there. And then you've got the carbonating tube, which is this here. And then you're going to rest the bottle on here. And so you got the cylinder handle here on the back. It's got a little lip that you can pull down. And then this comes off. And then you have where the cylinder is going to sit down in here. You're going to put it up in and then down in there. And then you'll put the bag back on. And to remove the plastic cover and pull off the cap. Alright, so take the perforated line and take off the plastic. Get all the plastic off, and then it says to remove the cap. So we're going to do the quick connect. We've taken off the plastic, take off the cover that they had, open up the back. Put this in, make sure this handle is lifted, the bottom in first. Connected, back on. Right, next up is to fill the bottle to the fill line. So this is filtered cold water, probably the colder the better, and I've got a glass. I did rinse this out, wash it out first, so it's nice and clean. Okay, so take the cold filtered water, take off the lid, we're going to insert it here. You want to make sure this is sticking out. Insert it and push back, and it's hanging there. You can see we're almost done. Last step. Now we are going to go ahead and get this fizzy. Now it says here it's 3 times for standard fizz and 5 times for a strong fizz. So I think we're going to go ahead and just do the standard first to try it since this is the first time. So it says to firmly push down and hold for a second and then let go. And then do that 3 times. And pull the bottle towards us. Alright, so we've got the water all nice and fizzy. You can see there are bubbles. And you can hear the bubbles, so it's definitely fizzy. And this is just plain water. You can hear and see bubbles. I don't know if you can hear it. Yeah, that's definitely fizz, and that's just the standard, so you probably could do between 3 and 5. And I can see why you want to have it just filled to this line, because the water comes up, so otherwise it would come out the top. So this has made some great fizzy water, nice and sparkling. I will definitely want to add flavor to mine, so I got a lot of sugar-free syrups I'm going to try. Okay, so we had tried the sparkling water, fantastic. So now I'm going to actually do some of the mix. And if it looks a little wet here, well, I kind of spilled some on my water. So Dr. Pete, aka Dr. Pepper, so I got this one for my kids to try. And this says to, obviously we've done everything, mix it. You do not put the mix in when you are going to carbonate it, so you want to wait till afterwards. So you're going to use the mix cup and add a cap to the inner middle line only. Do not fill above this line. And this is like a concentrate, so then we stick it in the water. Look at the fizz. And then we're supposed to lightly shake it. Look at that fizz. Nice. This is makes a nice fizz. Smells good. Oh, very good. Very good. This is going to be fantastic. My kids are going to love it. Perfect fizz, great flavor. I'm excited. And then you can go ahead and store this in the fridge. So I will put this in the fridge and let the kids drink it. And then I'm also going to do some later with some of my syrups that I got. And I got an energy base so that I can make some energy drinks at home as well. But I think this is going to be fantastic and I highly recommend it. I mean, it's super easy to do and it's super light. Will sit perfectly on the counter. As you can see, it fits perfectly under the normal counter height. So you have plenty of room to be able to store it on the counter. Alright, so I'm just going to make some sparkling water. I'm going to stick it in. And I found for me the middle at 4 instead of 5 is the amount of fizz we like. So that's done. I've got my cup of ice. And I'm going to be using one of my skinny syrups. This one's the mermaid, so it's going to be more of a sparkling water for me. And I'm not going to put it in the whole container because not everybody likes my drinks. So I'm going to pour some of this in here. And then I'm going to add my sparkling water. Let's go ahead and stir this and give it a taste. Oh, that's delicious. I have made my mermaid syrup. This one is sugar-free, so it's a tropical citrus. It's delicious. So I have a ton of the skinny syrups that are sugar-free, so I can make plenty of sparkling water and energy drinks. Super easy use. Again, look how nicely it fits under the counter. Definitely a thumbs up.